Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten Roblox password on smartphone. This method works both on iOS and Android. So let's begin. So as you can see, I'm in the Roblox application and now I will click on sign in. So here, if you have forgotten your password, you can click on trouble signing in right over here. After that, you need to enter your email address. So I have entered my email address. Now I'm going to click on next. Now a 6-digit verification code has been sent to our email address. I'll need to enter the code right over here. So as you can see, I have opened the email that was sent from Roblox and here is the 6-digit verification code. So I will copy this code and now I will insert this code in this box over here. So as you can see, after entering the code, I have an option to enter my new password and then to confirm my new password. So I have entered the new password. Now let's confirm the new password. So as you can see, after confirming the new password, the update password button is unlocked. Now if I click on the update password, my password will be changed. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.